Hi, I'm Serena from SHENYANG LANYING. Building your future with precision, strength, and global vision. Your trusted partner in steel structure, complete package solutions. Every great project starts with a great conversation. Understanding our clients' needs is always the first step. We have a very professional design team. We have 22 years experience in steel structure industry. We specialize in projects such as warehouse, office buildings, workshops, factories, and all kinds of buildings we can do for you. At Liaoning, we focus on complete solutions from design to delivery, ensuring every detail meets your expectations. Okay. This is our procurement department, which is very professional. We will meet all your requirements if you tell us the details. This is our logistics department. We take care of your goods and ensure to deliver your goods on time. We can make 3D renderings and animations for your projects. From design to delivery, we make sure our clients can see and trust every detail of the process.